Thank you. Now let's get started.
The future isn't created in a keynote address.
Presidential speech did not land us on the moon.
Millions of man-hours did.
They built their way there.
Some will talk about the future, but you'd be a fool to believe them. You see, talk doesn't get things done. Building does. Building like we have for the last 115 years. And building for the next century. Building cars, new technology, and transforming cities.
So let the other guys keep dreaming about the future. We'll be the ones building it.